It's gonna take forever. So that was the boring part. They're all ready to go. I guess we'll throw it on the breadboard and power it up. See how it works. But it really sucks. The GPS didn't have an actual wire to go with it, or even the pins. So I had to repurpose the one wire for the other LCD for the GPS. But at least we should be up and running now. I have all the wires set up as ground, VCC, and then data and TX and RX are white and white. So we'll see how it works. Well, it's been a nice trip through hell. Okay, so it took a while for me to even figure out where to get the jumpers for the LCD to the Adreno. And this one here that I picked up is the wrong one. I might be able to use it, probably not, because it only has 3 volts. It doesn't have 3 and 5 volts. I had to go out and pick up an experimental one, which I'm probably using for something else. I'm going to pick up another one. I'm using the R3 for now, just so I can at least get this up and running. I haven't tested the GPS yet, but I got the LCD to work. The code I'm running here, or the sketch, is just basically just for testing the LCD. And I'm still adding the libraries for the program itself. So it's been a bit of a pain. Kept coming up with errors. Fruit lib wouldn't load and everything else. So all new to me. But I'm learning as I go along. This will take probably a good month to get all the coding and that done for this. And then we'll start zoning. We'll start designing the, we'll 3D print the box for it, and the wiring going to the rear of the bike and how it's going to be powered and everything else. But we'll get the software out of the way. So the LCD is done. It's working. It's wired up properly. So now all I have to do now is find code for the GPS to test that, and then find some code that I can modify for the a GPS setup for kilometers or miles per hour. But we're getting there. Later, guys.